The Hull Moving Average (HMA) is a technical indicator used in financial markets to analyze price trends. It was developed by Alan Hull to reduce lag and improve responsiveness compared to traditional moving averages. The HMA achieves this by combining weighted moving averages and applying a square root transformation to the period used in the calculation. Key features of the Hull Moving Average. 1. Tarankan reduced lag. Tarankan, the HMA minimizes the delay lag inherent in traditional moving averages, making it more responsive to recent price changes. 2. Tarankan smoothness. Tarankan, despite its responsiveness, the HMA remains relatively smooth, avoiding excessive noise or false signals. 3. Tarankan weighted calculation. Tarankan, the HMA uses weighted moving averages to prioritize recent price data, enhancing its ability to track current trends. How the HMA is calculated. 1. Tarankan calculate the weighted moving average WMA. Tarankan compute the WMA for half the chosen period, e.g., for a 20-period HMA, calculate the 10-period WMA. Compute the WMA for the full period, e.g., 20-period WMA. 2. Tarankan combine the WMAs. Multiply the shorter period WMA by 2 and subtract the longer period WMA. This creates a smooth line that adjusts more quickly to price changes. 3. Tarankan apply a final WMA. Take the WMA of the result from step 2, using the square root of the period, e.g., for a 20-period HMA, use a 4-period WMA, since 20.47. Formula. Opening square bracket. Text HMA equals text WMA left 2 times text WMA and 2 text WMA and SCART and right. Closing square bracket. Where n equals the chosen period. Text WMA equals weighted moving average. Uses of the Hull moving average. Tarankan trend identification. Tarankan, the HMA helps traders identify the direction of the trend upward, downward, or sideways. Tarankan support and resistance. Tarankan, it can act as dynamic support or resistance levels. Tarankan crossovers. Tarankan, traders often use HMA crossovers with price or other moving averages to generate buy-sell signals. The HMA is popular among traders for its balance of speed and smoothness, making it a versatile tool for trend-following strategies.